Please think for a while. Just I am passing the message of Kalki Avatar. Please ignore the grammatical mistakes. So let us see what happened in the month of July 1993. I am standing in front of the Divine Mother, the Mother of the Universe, Brahmasi Durga. In the month of July 1993, while I was in meditation in my government quarter of VSS, that time VSS Medical College, and now it is Bhimsar. I heard the heavenly voice and saw the three eyes. Now we are looking of Mother. The heavenly voice was that you go to a place that is Tikira, a highland. Near Mahanadi bridge, Aburla, and you worship there and see what happens. So I believed that is 6th July evening 1993, and next day I came here and told the people of the place, but nobody believed, and they said we always we just use that place as open Latin. Everywhere human soils or odious. So please don't go to that place. But that time I was a homeopathic doctor. I told them just every day I am treating you and giving you medicines. So please obey my request and don't use that place as Latin, open Latin. So they obeyed, and that belief, just we see. Now the place is called Guhira Tikira. That means Gupt. From Gupt, Gu is taken, that is secret, and Hirakut, only one Hirakut is there in the world, where the famous Hirakut Dam is present. And Tikira means a highland. Now the temples are made by devotees automatically. I think by the God, the invisible God, that is Sunya Brahman. From here, just you realize the depth of the place, the height of the place. I am standing near river Mahanadi, where Ekambar Pradesh, previously I have shown you, in the middle of river Mahanadi. So how it is possible? When I came to this place there is not a single tree is there. But the saint poet Bhima Bhai, he has written that the dry root of the trees, they will survive and a jungle will be created, and there will be all the god and goddess, and those who will go there, all the sins of there will be wiped out. In 1994, I found goddess, mother goddess, the Adya Shakti, and worshipped her for 5 years, and then the mother of the universe appeared from the earth of this Tikira or the highland. So it is told by Saint Bhima Bhai that the head of Mother Sati divided into two parts. One part is Samaleswari and this part is Dhavalmukhi Samaleswari. Now she is with Vaishno Devi. It's called Brahmaswari Durga. So Vaishno Devi Puran or book of Vaishno Devi, where the Trikuta Devi said God Vishnu that when you will appear as Kalki avatar. So God said, when I will appear, you will be my destruction power at that time. And that happened, and Vaishno Devi and Samaleswari combined together, and we see her appearance as Brahmaswari Durga. In this lonely, abandoned place, I have spent 27 years of my life, left my birthplace, left my relatives, so that I got the place of incarnation of Kalki avatar. This is my pleasure that I discovered the place and got all the god and goddesses for the future of the people of the world. So every day we are consuming the foods made from rice, wheat, maize, and the green leaves of some tree, cabbages, cauliflowers, carrot, mango, banana, apples. So from where they can? Think for a while. From earth the plants takes minerals and water, from air carbon dioxide, and in sunlight it makes food for itself and for us and for all the graminivorous creatures from insect to human. Our body is made from earth or soil, water, air, fire, and this. In Hinduism it is called Panchabhautika Tattva. We forget the version of Buddha, Ahimsa Param Dharma, that is harmless to all the creatures of the world. Then we will survive and there will be no sin. So, but we are now most harmful to all types of the creature of the world. So, killing and taking a insect or a animal, that is called sin. Oh, if we realize our mistake and take care of the five things or the five powers from which our body is made, cleanliness of our environment where we live, air pollution, water pollution, fire or the heat pollution made from the weapons we are testing in the sky, the war weapons, and next proper use of the satellites we send to the sky. So please think for a while. So let us see how Kalki Dev has decorated this place, Guhira Tikra, by the nature. Thank you.